is Hattie, and yesterday night I went home and I was feeling my squishy that had ORBES in it, and I felt a wet patch. I felt that it had a little hole in it, so I cut it, and this is what I found. And I cut it in a bowl, and the ORBES went in a bowl. We added some water, and look, they're see-through, but they are huge. I love feeling them. It's like raindrops, but bigger. So we've left them in the water so they can grow a bit bigger. So while we wait, I'm playing with my slime. So my slime is a red slime. Let's get it out. So here's the slime. Her name's Berry because she's red, like the berry in holly. And like I think it's kind of like a really cool name for this red berry slime. I did have a green one, but that was, I added bicarbonate soda into that, and it stinks, and it's like not stretchy at all. This one's like really stretchy. That made a good noise. My mum's in the background, if you can hear her. She's crawling under. You can see your head. A magical arm. The magical arm disappeared. Ready? Listen. 3, 2, 1. It's quite sticky. So I made this out of blue glitter glue. Then I kept adding lots and lots of red paint into it. And it came out with this colour. I was like, oh my god, I love this colour so much. But then if I want it any darker, I can get my paints from under the table. My bag down there. And oops. And add it into my slime. Sorry about that. So the slime's quite sticky, but a nice texture, and I love it a lot. And it's like an oh my god texture. I love it. So it's like it can make bubbles. I'll try and make one. Show you if I do. Ready? 3. Guys, I kind of made a bubble. You ready to listen to the noise it makes? Oh, it didn't work. But at least you guys finally saw one of my bubbles. Now I think this might be a better position for you guys to see. Ready? That was a bad bubble. Comment below if you like slime. Sometimes I don't like it because it's really sticky. I might change your position because the sun's there. It's annoying. So, in the comments, tell me what your favourite colour is. My favourite colours, like, I have 3. My favourite colours are, actually I have 4. It's blue, purple, pink and red. I do have some others, but they're like my first. And yeah. What do you like better, slime or ORBES? I like slime better. Because you could add ORBES into your slime, and then you have ORBES slime. But ORBES would kind of make it a bit wet, so I'm not going to try that. I would try if I hated the slime. I hate the green slime, so I might try that when the ORBES are huge. So let's get back on. I love slime. Let's put it back in the container now. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you just smash that like button and subscribe and check out my TikTok account, it will be right here. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!